po sa ating lahat mga kabady at magandang gabi naman dyan sa Amerika. Okay, andito po tayo ngayon sa mga lugar na gustong gusto ko dito sa amin. Dito po sa may farm kasi po tahimik dito and at the same time fresh po yung air kasi ang makikita mo lang dito ay ayan, yung palayan, yung mga tanim kong nyog at saka yung mayroon din tayong mangga dyan. Ilibot ko muna kayo sa ating yan. Kung titignan niyo po mga kabady ay tahimik po dito at talagang conducive for learning po itong lugar ko. Kaya dito ko naisipang gumawa ng aking video. Kasama ko po si paring Clarence andun sa loob. Siya mamaya yung mag-video sa akin kasi wala pa akong tripod. Wala ka pong ibang maririnig din dito kundi yung agos ng tubig, yung simoy ng hangin. Narinig ba yun? Morning Philippines and good evening on the other side of the world. And for the first quarter, we will be dealing with sequences, polynomials, and polynomial equation. Okay, so let us start with sequence. Okay, for topic number 1, we have sequence. So now let's give the definition of sequence. The sequence is a function whose domain is the finite set, that is, or the infinite set. For you to understand the definition of sequence, let us explain it piece by piece. So it says here, a sequence is a function. So what is function? Whose domain? What is domain? Is the finite set. So we have finite set and infinite set. Okay, so let us start with function. So in mathematics, we have a lot of functions. We have linear function, static function, arithmetic function, exponential function, relationship na lang ang hindi nagpa-function. Kaya, okay. Function is a relation. When we say relation, it's a set of ordered pairs. So we have here an ordered pairs 1, 2 and 4, 3 as the elements of our set. Look at the abscissa 1 and 4. They are not equal or they are not the same. So therefore, these two ordered pairs represent a function. Domain. What is domain? Dito si Manong domain. So when we say domain, okay, let's take this linear function. Y equals 2x plus 3. So when we say domain, these are the possible value or values of x. Okay, let's now take finite set and infinite set. So when we say finite set, the elements are 1, 2, 3, so up to n, and here is the last number, represents the last number. And infinite set, the elements are 1, 2, 3, so n. What now is the difference and similarity between finite set and infinite set? For similarity, they are the same as counting numbers. The difference is for finite set, there is an n, or there is a last number. And for infinite set, there is none. continuously go on. Actually, there's a short description or definition of when we say sequence is order of and shapes, objects, and numbers with, of course, patterns. Ang haba-haba ng explanation natin. Ito lang pala yung kanyang pinaka-meaning. It's an order of anything with patterns. Okay. This finite sequence here has 5 terms. And we use the notation a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub n to denote a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, and a of n. Meaning to say, a sub 1 represents the first term, a sub 2 represents the second term, and a sub n represents the last term, which is 10. So since there are 5 terms here in the sequence, this is a sub 5. There are 2 types of sequence, finite sequence and infinite sequence. When we say finite sequence, it has a last term. So in this sequence, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is a finite sequence because 10 is the last term. For infinite sequence, like for this example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on and so forth, there's no n. So this is infinite sequence. So this symbol here, that is called ellipsis. Mamaya basahin nyo, dot, dot, dot. So, meaning, there is a continuation of this sequence. Okay, for the first example, find the first 5 terms of the sequence given the formula a sub n equals 2n plus 3. So, for the first term, that is a sub 1, so definitely n equals 1. So, to get the first term, or the a sub 1, just substitute the value of n to the given formula. So we have a sub 1 equals 2, substitute n by 1 plus 3. So we have 2 plus 3 equals 5. And for a sub 2, or the second term, n equals 2. Same process, a sub 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 3. So we have 4 plus 3 equals 7. For a sub 3, or the third term, n is 3. So by substitution, we have a sub 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 3. So we have 6 plus 3, it's 9. And a sub 4, n equals 4. By substitution, we have a sub 4 equals 2 times 4 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. For the fifth term, that is a sub 5, so n equals 5. So we have a sub 5 equals 2 times 5 plus 3. So we have 10 plus 3 equals 13. For the first term, we have 5. Second term, we have 7. 9 for the third term, 11 and 13. example number 2. Find the 10th term of the sequence given by this formula. A sub n equals n raised to 2 plus n minus 1. So we are looking for the 10th term. Okay, so since we are looking for the nth term, n equals 10. So just substitute the value of n in this formula to get a sub 10 or the 10th term. So let's do it. So a sub 10 meaning the 10th term. So 10 squared plus 10 minus 1. That is 100 plus 9. 100 plus 9 is 109. So this is the 10th term of the given sequence, given age and term. For example number 3, which term of the sequence given by a sub n equals 3n minus 6 is 42. So in this example, we are asked to find the value of n when a sub n equals 42. N here represents the number of terms or term. To do this, substitute a sub n by 42. So we have 42 plus 3n minus 6. For the value of n, let's do it algebraically. So 42 equals 3n minus 6. Add 6 to both sides. So we have 42 plus 6 equals 3n minus 6 plus 6. So we have 48 equals cancelled out. So we have here 3n. Then divide both sides by 3 to get the value of n. Divided by 3, that is 16. So 3n over 3 is n. What do you mean by this? N equals 16. Meaning 42 is the 16th term. There are other types of sequence. We have arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, Fibonacci sequence, and harmonic sequence. For my next video, I'm going to discuss to you the other types of sequence. For you to be notified, just subscribe and click the notification bell. At kung meron kayong mga topic na gusto pang gawan natin ng video, mag-comment lang below.